Hello guys, welcome back to my new video guys. In today's new video guys, I'll be gonna show you how to make money by investing your money. At least you can make over $10 up to $200 per day, and let me prove that. As you can see, if you come to this website, as you can see, if you be able to invest at least $1,000 per day, after 24 hours or after 65 minutes, you can be able to make 1,200. So in this video I'm going to show you how to create an account in this website and start investing for free without charging you anything. So first of all, if you are new to this channel, which is Online Hustleyt, I will highly recommend you to subscribe to the channel so that whenever I drop away some amazing video guys, you will be the next person to inform that I'm going to show you. So after that, with that said, let's move straight to the video. So first of all, if you are new to the trading or etc., I highly recommend you to go and do your own research and find out what is best for you. So in this video I'm going to give you what I know is working and I'm already using it. So let's move straight to the website. So the website name is called metatrace.com. as you can see, here is the link. Once you click on the link, I will leave the link in the description. So once you click, it will bring you to there where it says MetaTrace. Here is actually how the dashboard looks like. Once you click on the link, they say MetaTrace, the most secure investment platform on the world, and I know I trust it and I like it 100%, and it's working till I think around small, but it's one of the best investment platform right now to invest your money. So first of all, if you want to register, just click here where they say register. Once you click on register, it's gonna load up. So it's loading. So it's gonna say you had to put in your email address, put in your name and etc. Put in your email, retype your email, and put in your Bitcoin wallet or Ethereum or USDT or Litecoin or Paper Money or Pay. So anyone you choose to go, whether Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, and Litecoin. But for me, I will go with USDT if I were you, because I know it's a kind of something that many crypto owners or many crypto users use. And once you fill in all those things and click on I agree the term and condition, you can go and read if you like, but I know a lot of people will not go. So just click on register. Once you click on register, it's gonna send you an email saying that blah 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 and etc. So once you log in, let me go back to dashboard and log into my account so that I will show you how the dashboard look like. So let me log in. So let me log into mine. It's loading. So as you can see, it's a hello on there, so you are redirected to the dashboard. So it's loading guys. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel so that whenever I drop amazing video guys, you will be the next person to implement that I'm gonna show. Here is the channel, which is Online Hustleyt. I have dropped a recent video guys. So let's move back to the video or to the website. Once it's loading. So once you log in, your dashboard gonna look like this, where you can be able to see your stats, your account balance, your account active deposit, total earning, and total withdrawal. So once you are here, I will recommend you to go to where they say deposit, because you are to invest at least in 24 hours so that to see how things work. So just click on where they say my investment. Once you click on my investment, it's gonna load up the way you can be able to deposit and see how much it's gonna look like this, where they see my investments, and you can see the total of $0 I have not invested yet, and I will plan to do, because I'm running couples of business, so it is very important for me to invest. So the first plan here is that starter plan, which is from $50 up to $500, and you can see the daily profit is up to 7%, which is a little bit, or is kind of something that you will get for just investing. So let's pull up calculator and exactly calculate. Let's say you actually deposit over 500 and actually minus that 7%. As you can see, you can be able to make up to $35 using 500, or if you deposit 500 per day or 24 hours, you make 35 US dollars just for investing 24 hours. So as you can see, the next one, which is pro plan, which is over 500 up to $5,000, and we can get a daily profit of 10%. So let's log calculator and calculate this one. So let's see, let $5,000 minus let's see 10%. That means, sorry, I made a mistake. I'm gonna see, sorry, I made a mistake. Let me do it again. Then 5,000 minus 10%, that means 500. You're gonna make at least 500 per day, 24 hours, just by depositing 5,000 in this MetaTrader.com. That means you can be able to make at least let's see, if you make at least 500 a day, you can multiply it by, sorry, let's see, 500 multiplied by, let's say a week you make, sorry, let's see, 500 multiplied by 7, you're gonna make at least 3,500 per week. That's a kind of very big investment that you can be able to start and making money just for free without doing anything, only investment. So if you are really interested, I will leave a link in the description. So if you want to try it out, so I would highly recommend you to go and try it out. So if you guys get some value in this video, guys, I would like you to help me with subscribe. Just click on subscribe button, like our video, comment down below what I didn't do correct, and correct me, so that you're gonna improve my I will gonna improve my video skills. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.